Hi everyone, that's DidyToys channel, and today I decided to show you what pajamas holders are and what materials I use to create them. That's not a tutorial though, just a brief overview on the toy and materials used.
But the buttons are available and can be purchased on my Etsy store or directly. Just let me know if you need them.
So, that's my last work. It's a bunny pajamas holder. It's cute and funny, but what I like most about such toys is their function.
First of all, that's a pajamas bag, which is a fantastic idea for a toddler. Children at this age have a strong desire to do things independently, and they will definitely appreciate the opportunity to at least arrange their pajamas on their own.
The pajamas will now always have its place and will never be lost again.
What's more, that can become a special before sleep ritual. Often children are not quite willing to prepare themselves for bed, but will they be able to refuse if such a cutie is waiting for them to take the pajamas and put it on? I'm sure a pajamas bag in the shape of an animal is really a good idea. When it's empty and the child is ready to sleep, the pajamas holder turns into a perfect sleeping comforter toy. It's soft and warm, the size is just perfect, as though it was created to be hugged.
And it actually was. Anyway, what will you need if you decide to make a pajamas holder one day?
I use only plush yarns for such toys, as they are so nice to touch. A simple plush yarn such as Himalaya Dolphin Baby or Yarn Art Dolce, for example, are perfect for almost all the parts: head, legs, arms and ears. And I use Alize Puffy for the body. This is an interesting yarn indeed. It is quite bulky and it comes with ready-made loops. You don't need a crochet hook or needles, you literally crochet using your hands. Another option for the body is pom-pom yarn. I've never tried it personally, but I know many use it for that purpose and it looks good as well. I don't usually use plastic eyes and noses for my pajamas holders. I believe these kind of toys should be soft everywhere as they are used for sleeping, so I usually just embroider them with cotton or acrylic yarn, or even same plush yarn of a contrasting color, but sometimes I can use safety eyes or noses as well. You'll definitely need some fiberfill to stuff at least the head. I also stuff the arms and legs, but you may not stuff them if you wish. As for the tools, I use 4mm crochet hook for plush yarn and my fingers for Alize Puffy. By the way, you can use Alize Puffy fine for the body as well. That's a similar yarn, but it's thinner and the loops are smaller. That's why you even may need a hook to work with it. Alize Puffy is much more convenient for me and even a bit softer. I've got a needle for sewing the details. I prefer plastic ones to those made of metal when it's for plush yarn, and a bigger one for Alize Puffy. I also got a long metal needle. I use it for muzzle sculpting and eyes embroidery. You'll also need scissors. I don't usually use markers. I use a thread of a different color instead, but I know many find markers convenient, so it's up to you. And that's probably all about materials and tools.
Hope you enjoyed the video and maybe discovered something new or were inspired to create your own pajamas holder. If you'd like to have one of DidyToys buttons, just let me know and I will tell you how it's possible, or just follow the link below. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for those of you who constantly support me by following the channel, likes and comments. See you!